Boo-boo!
Look at you, big girl. Big girl.
Just in case she tips over.
Yeah.
Just let it go into the pillow. Eat that steering wheel.
Yay, big
Eat
girl.
it.
What, guys?
Yeah, just give her a little pillow and put her seatbelt on.
Oh, she's like a bed pillow. Yay! Put your hands
That's
back on
it.
the wheel. There you go. There you go, Mom.
Drive. Faster, go! You know what? She does this at Chuck E. Cheese.
Yeah.
She
Pictures.
loves steering wheel.
Oh, there she goes.
That's what it is, huh? Remember the pictures?
And
Belinda?
Belinda has steering wheel toys.
Yeah.
I always notice that on her picture. She loves putting her hands on the wheel.
Yeah, girl.
Oh, look at her trying to stand up.
Hang on!
What are you doing?
You drunk driving? Huh? You drunk driving?
Kaylee! Kaylee!
I'm drunk on boobies.
I'm videoing her.
Both hands on the wheel.
Kaylee!
10 and 2.
You did it.
Dad.
Go, boo boo. Entertain us.